Hey guys, it's boy Void here back on our video. So today I'll show you how you can make an executor using Falcon API Velocity. So it actually took me 2 days to make this API since I'm only noob at coding. So look at this file link. You might say that it's virus because it's using other shit and not the Discord thing. Well, Discord actually thinks the velocity is a virus. I don't fucking know why. That's the thing. So yeah, click on download and then they should pop up. So yeah, just click on this, verify, and then once this pop up, just click on close. Now click on Control J. This should do. Now click on this folder icon. Drag it here and then right click it and just WinRAR and then click on extract here. Now let's delete the thing and then delete the codes because the codes is not right. This is the actual codes. So yeah, let's copy this real quick. Alright. Now let's open up Visual Studio since we need that to fucking make an executor. Click on create a new project. Oh shit! Wait. Make sure you know where your repos folder is. Okay. Make sure you know where your repos folder is. What the hell do you mean? Then take a file. Hey. So now make sure to go to your repos folder and search for templates. Windows Forms. Make sure to go to Windows Forms .NET framework. But if you don't find it, just scroll until you find it. Make sure to go to Windows Forms .NET framework. Now name this any execute from module NX. Make sure the framework is 4.8 or it will not work. Now click on the create button. As you can see, it's already creating the folder because I know where my fucking repos folder is, okay? You guys need to know where your repos folder is. Stop asking me like, how do I find my repos folder? Shut the fuck up. So yeah, now double tap on the executor form one. Yes. And then go over here and then go over here to public partial class. Click on enter 3 times and then go over here in the middle and then go back to browser and then let's copy this. Copy that. As you can see here, put in partial class. This is partial class. Place it right here. Now right click references, add reference, click on browse and then go to desktop, double tap on Falcon API Velocity. Boom. Now it should not have any errors. Uh, let's get 2 buttons. I always do 2 buttons. Now let's get a rich text box and size it to whatever you want. You can do the same style as mine. I'm doing a basic executor combo. Let's do the text for like the name of our executor. Now for the text at the bottom one, change it to execute. Now for the bottom two, change it to inject. Now go back to minimize all and then click the bin and then copy it and then go back to Visual Studio, click on this and then bin debug and then paste the bin folder right here. Double tap on execute and then type here API dot execute script reach textbooks one dot text like that. For the inject button, let's do API dot inject like literally just like that. Boom. But if you don't want the API to crash, go over here and put in form1 load. So copy this, go back to Visual Studio, go to form1 over here. Oh no, over here in form1 load. So copy, so double tap on this, the thing, the border, and then paste it right here and put. Wait a minute. I fuck. I forgot to do the I thing. But it's okay, you guys will see the tutorial put like that. Okay, so now click on debug properties, go to build, change any CPU to x64. Now click on build and build your executor name. Why are you taking so long? Click on this button and then now let's go to Blockstrap since that's what I always use. You can use anything. You can use Roblox Player Beta dot exe, which is literally the main. Oh wait, yeah, I remember. You need to inject in the menu. I did it inject. I'm not seeing anything. I said inject in the main menu. Oh, injected. I don't know why I didn't inject for no reason. I just um, failed. Okay, let's do one. Cool. Execute. As you can see, it's executing. Now let's just get let's just get up. Mm, use UNC check env.lua, copy raw file, and then paste it right here. Paste and then execute. Now let's just wait for this bullshit to load. So yeah, as you can see, it has a 99 UNC executor, but it's pretty, but the API has 99% UNC, but it's pretty fucking laggy and also detected by the Roblox anti-cheat. As you can see right now, I am fucking lagging. I can't even. Oh my god! I actually thought my brain was freezing. What is this la? Where am I go? Why am I jumping? I'm not pressing the space button. I only pressed it one time, bruh. Why am I jumping? Nah, that's crazy. Nah, that's crazy. I'm lagging like shit. Oh my god. What the fuck was the lag? Alright, so that's gonna be it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content.